Guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 259 to 216 log for 5-year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So hope that today camera is kinda clear because I'm recording with my mother's phone, which is iPhone. I forget what it called, but it is after iPhone 10. So that's kind of phone. So basically, uh, today was a great day, and I wrote this thing. So basically, day is 259 to 60, and the day description. If I say that I wake up so much late, also day before I also wake up so much late because it was weekend, and also feel very dumb and tired for having going to a wedding at night. That's why, and also sleep like 3 to 4 a.m. That's why. And the main thing here is I do some affirmation, the meditation, and drink salt water, which is kinda energetic for me. So basically it was a good day. This today was good but kinda bad too, but it was kinda imbalanced. So basically the value of the day is, today I'm really wanna talk about this thing, which is kinda important thing to talk. So basically, if everyone knows and connects with it, it's like adult content or 18 plus content, this kind of stuff. And I'm also talking about that, vaping things. So basically, the people behind it, or I can call that people who do that, are now doing it too, and I mean bothering with religion. So basically everyone have a belief, and they live their life like that. But when people like doing bad things, so like people are creating this kind of content, 18 plus content about every religion, like you will. So basically you don't need to search it about it. Let me tell you, my friends are talking about this stuff, like they are quitting it, but like they are talking about, and some people also emailed me this thing that they saw this thing in that. So basically they are creating content about every religion and destroying people belief about that, and influencing people to the bad thing. So basically when they are creating contents about religious stuff, which is bad content or bad thing, this kind of influence people towards that it may be normal, and also they are trying to make this normal. They're creating this kind of content so that people think that these bad things or these contents or this kind of stuff are normal, and these are normal in religious stuff, but that's not. These are fully haram, and I can say that prohibited from every religion, and no one believes it. But some religions, or maybe one religion, are against it, but another religions people are like, what, they enjoy it. They enjoy it. What the thing, they like to enjoy this kind of stuff, but they have never tried to be against it because they love to watch it. But it is so much harmful for you and sinful for you that you can't even understand. So basically the main thing here is you need to stop. First I will tell the problem, then I'm telling the solution. And the third thing is trying to destroy religious beliefs. So basically there are, with the positive thing there will be always a negative. Everything has that. So basically when people saw it in negative way, they are like their religious belief got broken, and they feel like that something has missing or something is going on. That's why they can droply or slowly make their belief low, and in one day they remove their religious belief and destroy it. That's the thing. And the thing is, and there are a lot of people who are making money from it. So that's the thing. When they create this kind of stuff, they add some premium thing, or maybe this kind of stream what my friend told me or the people in my email told me. So basically they add premium so that people need to purchase it, so watch this kind of one. And the funny thing is, people buy it and then watch it. That's the thing. People love to buy it and watch the thing, but these people who buy it are slightly can be, or maybe they have religious belief, or they believe in any religion. And the third thing and the last thing is create a new category. So basically they are trying to create a new category which can be religious. So basically if you are addicted to this kind of stuff or known to this, you will know there will be a lot of category or this kind of stuff where people love to watch videos in the category way, and this kind of stuff. But if you know this, they are trying to create a new category where they will post religious type of video but in a bad way, and in the bad content. You will, I hope you understand what kind of thing it is, and that's the thing. So basically it is the system of bad, or the thing that I always told you, and by day I will expose this thing, and every way I can do, I will people who are trying to help me, my friends and the people who email me about this kind of stuff, are this a very good thing, so that I can talk about that thing. And for me, I can't say these words, which is kind of tough for me to talk. And the solution of it, to quit it. So quit vaping, quit these contents that to consume. So remove it, watch some good contents, consume some good contents, and live your life in a healthy way. And second thing is boycott it. We need to boycott this kind of stuff, or what will do is they will create many things, they will destroy every things, and the society will collapse it. So basically uh, in sometimes later, if we don't boycott it, it will be normal. And normal, how much normal, you can't even think about it. They will destroy our religious belief, they will destroy everything that can be healthy and can be normal. So we need to boycott it. And the last thing, we need to remove it forever. Not just boycott, forever we need to remove it and make a golden world and a peaceful world, so that we can live on and live a happy life. And that's it. At the end, I will and I do.